Determination of ash or inorganic contents of a feed sample. Ash is an inorganic component in a feed and it normally represents the mineral contents of a feed sample. But all the time ash is not composed of the mineral content. Sometimes silica is also present in the feed or some sand that has been mixed in the feed sample, so that increases the ash content of a sample. So always keep in mind ash does not need the mineral contents. It might have indigestible or insoluble contents like sand and silica. For the determination of ash content we need a crucible. This is a crucible. Use dry and clean crucible, then label it by using a lead pencil. Keep in mind we are going to place this crucible at 550 to 600 degrees Celsius. So only lead pencil is the best way to label the crucible for ash determination. Weigh the crucible and then add 1 gram of sample in the crucible. After weighing, place it in a muffle furnace. This is the muffle furnace, and we should set the temperature between 550 to 600 degrees Celsius. So keep in mind, if furnace is running or the temperature is at 550 degrees Celsius, then do not go for opening the muffle furnace, because due to very high temperature the outside pressure might cause damage to the interior of the muffle furnace. So after placing the sample, turn on the muffle furnace. So when the temperature reaches at 500 degrees Celsius, the furnace is on and its temperature is at 502 degrees Celsius, and it is heating, or temperature is rising. Now it is 505. So when the temperature will reach at the set value of 550 degrees Celsius, then wait for 3 to 4 hours so that complete burning of the material should be done. So, after 4 hours, then turn the muffle furnace off and wait until its temperature reaches to 200 degrees Celsius. You can check the temperature by turning it on. When it is at 200 degrees Celsius, then you can open it and get the sample out. So then take the sample out and place in the desiccator for cooling. After cooling, go for weighing the sample, so that will give you the value of crucible plus ash. Now subtract the weight of the crucible from this value, you will get the value of ash. Just want to show you how the ash looks like. It should be either of grayish or whitish material. If there is any black spot, that gives an indication of the presence of unburnt carbon. So in that case, again place it in the muffle furnace for few hours until you get a grayish material or whitish material. There should not be any black spot. This is all about determination of ash content of a sample.